In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink Gmail from Zoho CRM. If you've connected your Gmail inbox to Zoho CRM and want to stop email sync, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to click. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into the correct Zoho CRM account and that you have permission to access settings. The interface can vary slightly by layout, but the options we'll use are consistent across most accounts. Start by opening Zoho CRM and heading to the home page. This is simply your starting point inside the CRM, and it ensures the navigation menus are loaded and visible. Next, look toward the top right corner for the gear icon and click Settings. This takes you to the main control area where all configuration lives. If you don't see Settings, you may need a higher permission level, so check with your CRM admin. Inside Settings, find and click on Email. This is the section where mail-related features are configured. It covers everything from syncing and sending to templates and compose preferences. If you have multiple categories, choose the Email option that opens the email configuration area. Within the email area, click Email again to open the detailed email configuration or compose settings page. Different layouts may label this slightly differently, but you're looking for the place where IMAP settings are shown. Now, locate the IMAP section and click Deactivate IMAP. This is the action that unlinks your Gmail account from Zoho CRM. When you deactivate IMAP, Zoho stops syncing your Gmail messages going forward. Any emails that were already synced into records or timelines will remain, but new messages won't be fetched into the CRM. You may see a confirmation prompt. Go ahead and confirm to complete the unlinking. If you don't see a deactivate button, that usually means you haven't connected Gmail yet, so there's nothing to turn off and you're all set. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Give it a moment for the change to take effect and refresh the page if the status doesn't update right away. If you're part of a team, remember that each user's mailbox is separate, so other users who connected their own Gmail will need to deactivate IMAP on their side as well. And if you ever want to reconnect, you can return to the same email settings and set up IMAP again. That's all you need to unlink Gmail from Zoho CRM. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.